Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibes, the place for travel tips, deals, promos, giveaways, and fun. As we continue our conversation, we are talking about the Norwegian getaway. And you might wonder, where does the getaway sail? I really want a getaway. Well, glad you asked. The Norwegian getaway home ports in the iconic city of Miami. Now, there are those of us who tend to ignore all that happens in your home port. But I am going to suggest for your next sailing on the Norwegian getaway, take some time, explore the beauty of Miami. Now, let us talk a little bit about Miami. Ooh, you think about the beaches. You think about South Beach, you think about Little Havana. I would like to suggest that you lose yourself a little bit. Hop on a boat tour to the marina at Bayside, Miami. This is truly an invigorating activity. I remember my last time in Biscayne Bay having a true Brazilian dinner right in the heart of Miami. It was an experience that I will not soon forget. So my suggestion, take in a little bit of your home port and do an overnight just before sailing. That is really going to add value to your experience. Now for the Norwegian getaway, once we sail out of Miami, doing our Caribbean sailing, there are two itineraries that you will take. The one that we're going to talk about today includes Roatan and Honduras, Harvest Caye in the Bahamas. Harvest Caye in Belize, and this is Norwegian's private island, Costa, as well as Cozumel. Now, let's talk about Roatan. Now, Roatan is very popular for its Mesoamerican reef system. And this is the second largest barrier reef in the world, second only to the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. It's a diver's paradise. Also, it offers lots of jungle life, retro Caribbean towns, beach shack restaurants, and an absolute laid-back environment just to kick back and have fun. Harvest Caye, on the other hand, is the newest project from Norwegian Cruise Lines. It is their flagship private island on 75 acres, and it offers all of 7 acres of beach. Soak in an expansive array of swim-up pools, cascading waterfalls, cabanas. There's so much to do on Harvest Caye. It is a resort type island. It is set up with all the amenities that you've never seen on a private island for a cruise line before. So I am really going to suggest that you make big plans to take in all that is available on this sailing with Norwegian Getaway once you get to Harvest Caye. Costa Maya has always been a big favorite. It is a busy cruise port in Mexico, and as a matter of fact, their main financial income comes from cruising. So don't forget to spend a little more than you normally do, as this is the mainstay of life for the locals. It's only 5 minutes from a town that offers shopping, boutique hotels, and restaurants. It's a water lover's paradise. So you think of snorkeling, you think of water sports activities, all the fun in the beautiful Caribbean Sea. This is the place to get it. Now, in contrast, Cozumel is an island, and it dazzles with white sandy beaches, Mayan ruins, exotic jungle life, and crystalline waters. Oh, they're teeming with tropical fishes. Can you just imagine snorkeling just a few feet from shore and you're able to take in amazing fish and sea life? This is something on my bucket list to do. You know, there are more than 207 things to do in Cozumel. So make sure you consult your travel agent, namely me, so that we can guide you through the maze of activity to find the ones that suit your interest the most. And remember, cruising is for all your senses. The sights, the sounds, the tastes, the experiences. You'll be delighted with every new turn. Your ship, Norwegian Getaway, is a destination in itself. Plan to take in all that's available. Make it your destination for exploration during your sea days. Sea days are not boring days. Sea days are fun days. Do not neglect the promotions and the offers. Set yourselves to capture all the prizes and giveaways and free testing and sample massages, and oh my gosh, I could go on and on and on. But indeed, if you are taking a getaway with the Norwegian Getaway, it is so important that you leave feeling rested, revived, pampered, and absolutely fabulous. This is Sherry Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're so pleased to bring you your travel tidbits every single morning, and we look forward to offering you the best that Norwegian Getaway has to offer. We have 1 day remaining for your $50 per person deposit on any Norwegian cruise sailing all the way to July. Yes, I said July. So we got an extension. Originally we said April 2018. Now we're up to July 2018. And along with that, we're offering free beverage packs, free shore excursions, specialty dinners, up to 250 minutes internet, and on certain sailings, your kids sail free. Yes, you heard correct. So do not hesitate. Call me today. Norwegian Getaway. This is the one for you. Have an amazing day. It's freestyle all the way. Welcome to